Welcome to this tutorial on Lambda Edge, one of the most powerful edge computing services in AWS. Lambda Edge allows you to run serverless code at CloudFront edge locations, bringing computation closer to your users for faster response times and reduced latency. Lambda Edge is a feature of AWS Lambda that lets you run serverless functions at AWS CloudFront edge locations distributed globally. Instead of running your code in a single region, Lambda Edge executes your functions at the edge location nearest to your users. This means you can customize content delivery and add logic right where your users are accessing your application, resulting in significantly lower latency and better performance. Let's understand the workflow. First, a user requests content from CloudFront. Second, the request hits the nearest edge location based on the user's geographic location. Third, your Lambda function executes right there at that edge location. Fourth, the modified response is returned directly to the user. This entire process happens with minimal latency because everything occurs at the edge, close to the user. Lambda Edge provides 4 different event triggers where you can execute your functions. The viewer request trigger runs before CloudFront checks its cache. The origin request trigger executes before CloudFront forwards the request to your origin server. The origin response trigger runs after CloudFront receives a response from the origin. And the viewer response trigger executes before CloudFront returns the final content to the user. Each trigger serves a different purpose in the content delivery pipeline. Lambda Edge is perfect for several real-world scenarios. You can implement A/B testing by routing different users to different versions of your content. You can add authentication by validating tokens right at the edge before serving content. For SEO optimization, you can generate dynamic meta tags based on the request. And you can implement intelligent redirect logic to route users based on their location, device type, or other factors. Here's a simple Lambda Edge function example. The function handler receives an event object containing the CloudFront request or response. In this example, we're accessing the response from the event records, then adding a custom header to it. Finally, we return the modified response. This demonstrates how you can manipulate HTTP headers at the edge to add security headers, custom metadata, or any other information you need. Lambda Edge currently supports 2 programming language runtimes. You can write your functions in Node.js using JavaScript or TypeScript, or you can use Python for your edge functions. Both runtimes give you the flexibility to implement your business logic in the language you're most comfortable with. It's important to understand Lambda Edge limitations. The maximum execution time is 30 seconds, which is shorter than regular Lambda functions. Memory allocation ranges from 128 megabytes to 10 gigabytes. Your deployment package size cannot exceed 50 megabytes when compressed, and the request or response body you can process has a maximum size of 1 megabyte. These constraints are designed to keep edge functions lightweight and fast. AWS offers 2 edge computing options, and it's crucial to choose the right one. Lambda Edge has a runtime of up to 30 seconds and supports all 4 event triggers we discussed earlier. It's ideal for complex logic that requires more processing time or external network calls. CloudFront functions, on the other hand, execute in sub-millisecond time and only support viewer request and viewer response triggers. CloudFront functions are best for simple, lightweight operations like URL rewrites or header modifications. Let's recap the key points. Lambda Edge lets you run serverless functions at over 225 edge locations globally, providing worldwide coverage. By executing code closer to users, you achieve significantly lower latency and better performance. You have 4 event triggers available to customize different stages of content delivery. And Lambda Edge is ideal for use cases like authentication, A/B testing, and serving dynamic content. This makes it a powerful tool for building fast, globally distributed applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.